Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can comment on Snapchat. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu, then into settings. Now we scroll down and under privacy control we find comments settings. And here we have three options. We can either set manually approve, so when we receive a comment, we have to approve that comment for it to appear under our post. Auto approve my friends, which means that if our friends comment on our posts, they are going to be approved automatically, or auto approve everyone. This is just pretty self-evident. All comments are auto-approved by default. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.